If you were to ask a guy out, how would you do it?
Hey, what's up? Wanna hang out? That's it.
Take it back to high school and tell my friend to tell a friend to tell him.
I'ma slide up on him like Playboy. It's gonna be me and you tonight, 8:30, okay? I'll pick you up. We're gonna hang out. We're gonna have a good time. Cause I'm feeling you.
How you doing, girl? Shit. Wanna ask me out?
Do you wanna go out?
Hey, you know, you want to go for like a walk?
Ooh, I like it when a girl asks me out. I like to see, I like it when a female is a little bit courageous. I know typically, the guy is supposed to be the person to step up to the girl, ask her out, and that's cool, that's normal, but I like it when a girl can actually say it to a guy, yo, I'm feeling you, what's up, you're trying to spend time together, go to a movie, go for a walk, go work out, whatever it is.
Well, it's happened a few times, right? But at the end of the day, when it comes down to my man's perspective, the chase is almost as good as the conquering.
I would pretty much just like hit him up and be like, hey, how's your day going? What are you doing today? And if he's like, okay, nothing, just chilling, I'm like, hey, you wanna hang out? And if he's like, yeah, sure, then yeah, we'll just kind of let it flow. Like, you just have to let it flow. Like, I wouldn't just straightforward go and say, hey, let's hang out today.
First of all, I don't do that because I'm really shy. So what I would do is I'd be like, okay, let me buy you a drink, and I'll buy myself a drink, and I'll down that drink and be like, okay, so now that we've gotten that out of the way, what's good? And that's literally all I would say. And I would hope he would take it from that point.
I don't know, I feel like there's little things that you can do to give signals that you're interested.
I actually like it. I'm actually attracted to women who say what they want, say what they like, come to me, and if I'm who you want, I'm gonna roll with it. I'm not gonna be all, tripping, and if she's pretty and attractive, I'm going with it.
I would not directly ask him out, but like indirectly ask him out.
There's nothing to react. I'm just say okay. Matter of fact, somebody asked me out here, so it happened.
I feel like there's just a presence that you give when you're interested in someone. It's laughing, it's like always trying to get their attention. I mean, not attention, but be engaged in the conversation with them. And I don't know, there's just a vibe that you give, as opposed to like a friend zone type of vibe. You're giving that available vibe. Like, I want to talk with you more.
I'm gonna be like, for real? For real? I'm like, I'm with you. What took you so long? That's what I'm gonna be like. I've been waiting for this for so long. What's up?
I think for me personally, I feel like when a female has the kahunas, how you say it? Kahunas? If she got the balls to do something like that, I really, really admire that. So yeah.
The chase is very, very important. And for a woman to ask me out, you kind of take away from that. But if it's Kelly Rowland or Lala shit, that's a different story. I'm gonna say hell yeah all day, every day. So